Come test drive the 2018 Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, compass, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, tilt steering wheel, perimeter alarm, tinted glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.